And if people buy the product through your link, or in fact buy any product on Amazon through your link, you'll get like some tiny percentage of the sales. So pretty easy to get started with affiliate marketing, but how hard is it to make $100 a month? Well, this is actually kind of hard. So let's say you had a product that was $50 that you were trying to sell and you were getting 5% commission on it. That would be pretty good. And it offers like 2 or 3%, something like that. And let's say your average conversion rate, i.e. let's say that's 1%, which is pretty reasonable for a conversion rate. One of them is Skillshare, who are kindly sponsoring this video. I'll tell you about the sponsors segment later, but Skillshare have an interesting affiliate program where if you refer someone to sign up to a free trial of Skillshare, you can get $7 in affiliate commission just for that thing. So if you wanted to make $100 a month from affiliates, you would need 15 people every month to sign up for Skillshare with your affiliate link thing. How hard is it to get 15 people a month to sign up with your affiliate link? Well, it's not that hard if you have an audience, and it's not that hard if you have your own classes on Skillshare like I do. I have like 9 of them. And so if I want to make money through Skillshare affiliates, I can just tell people, hey guys, I can tell you that guys, I've just released my latest Skillshare class, Productivity for Creators, How to Start a Successful Side Hustle.